Current situation mo as of now, collective ko. Huh? Heavy agad yung ano. Hindi ko pa siya na ano ha. Pero heavy. Hindi ko tinatawa ng sitwasyon mo ha. Yeah. I think you're living in a life na parang fake it till you make it, no? Kasi you're in entrapped situation, relationship, karmic. You're about to confess actually na hindi ka na masaya, okay? Sa sitwasyon na to. So, let's see. Ano ba dapat mong gawin? Okay? Wala dito sa card na to, pero unang sinabi ng guides mo is to be true to yourself, no? Kailangan mo ibaba lahat ng baggage na to na hindi na para sa'yo. You have to follow your heart. Go with transition. Don't control it. Kumbaga sa agos ng ilog, dire-diretso ka lang. Magpatangay ka lang. Don't try to be fixated. Have a lot of options in life. Alam mo na hindi ka lang dito. Comfortable means stuck. Okay? So, kailangan mong maghanap ng mga options. Options na magpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi pa magpapasaya ng ibang tao. Or hindi para sa ibang tao. Kundi para sa'yo. Yun ang gusto sabihin ng guides mo, no? So, let's see. What's your guides payo sa current situation mo, no? Collective ko. I really wanted to tell you na kakayanin mo yan. Mukhang hindi lang. Okay? Pero, you're strong. Ikaw pa ba? Okay, bibigyan ka ng guides mo ng ng way para kumita ng pera. And I think, kasama dito yung online, no? Yung pwede kang kumita or magkaroon ng sariling pera. So, yeah, might be about sa clothing, tela, your ideas, yung creative ideas, yeah, designs mo. So, make a plan about that. Clarify malicious. Might be, pero I want to make sure. Yeah. Yeah, sa bago mong tatahakin na daan, ibang pamilya mo makakalaban mo. Okay? They don't want you to move forward. They want you to get stuck. Okay? I think parang bibigyan ka nila ng lason sa utak mo na sasabihin nila, hindi mo kaya yan, sigurado ko ba dyan, sasaya ka ba talaga dyan, papakawalan mo to dahil lang dyan, parang ganon. It's important for you to open the door para hindi ka na maging stuck. Okay? Don't stay there even it's comfortable. It will keep you in loop. Okay, my collective? So, I hope this reading helps you and bye!